Hey guys, today we talk about how can you select your pronouns on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on edit profile here, click on it. When just click here on edit profile, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to pronouns, just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you list like this here. And here you select your pronouns here. Then you click here on done, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.